Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to fix this CondoMounts laptop wall mount. So this wall mount is actually really special because you could fix this onto drywall, concrete wall, or even brick wall. And today I'm going to show you how to exactly fix this onto the drywall. So the first thing that you must take out this unit right here. This is called the wall unit, right? So you gotta fix or mount this onto the wall like this. Alright, before that you must make sure that you find your metal stud or your wood stud behind the drywall, right? So how do you find your metal stud behind your drywall? Let me show you. So to actually find the metal stud behind your drywall, you could use this device right here. Okay, this is called the C.H. Hansen magnetic stud finder. There are plenty of stud finders out there, but I personally like this because it does not require any batteries. They are just these two strong magnets. You just find for your metal stud, go around the drywall, and when the C.H. Hansen magnetic stud finder sticks on the drywall, that means this whole part is a stud kind. So you can actually use this to also find wood stud. This right here is a wood stud, so you won't be able to find your studs with the magnet. But when it comes to these screws, you could actually know that there is a wood stud behind the drywall. So that is the ways you find your your metal stud behind your drywall. So back to mounting the wall mount, the laptop mount right now. So the first thing that you gotta do is you gotta use some anchors, and here I am using the state-of-the-art elephant anchors, the strongest anchor, drywall anchor that you could get. Right, I have already measured and drilled 2 holes right here, so I'm gonna place these anchors right through the holes, right? So you just spin the clip, and then you just insert these anchors into the hole, right? It's a bit hard right here. As you can see here, I've already inserted both the elephant anchors onto the holes, and now to tighten them, I just hold on to this loop right here and then pull this clip right to the end. Right to the end, make sure it's tight, and one more down here, pull this loop, pull this clip right to the end, and you have these 2 extra clips. You just move it up and down, right? And finally, you're now ready to mount the whole thing onto your drywall. With that, now we're going to place this whole thing onto the drywall and no stud. Alright, these screws are all given together with the product. So I'm just going to fix this first, and then the bottom one right here. Oops. Alright, as you can see here, I have fixed this onto the drywall. So if you want to fix this onto drywall, you could do it. You could even fix this onto a wall, concrete wall, brick wall, any type of walls. Right, and it's really strong because I have just used the strongest anchor, the elephant anchors. Alright, so for the next step, right now you just take both these arms. Right, let's think about the product also. Okay, all these are already fixed together. Make sure you don't have a hassle doing this. And all these hinges right here, right inside here, and inside. See here, we have included all the grease needed, so you don't have to do that also. Right, so there are 2 arms right here. So one is this one, and the other one looks like this. So take this arm with this metal thing here, right, and then just insert this onto the mount, just like that, right? And another arm up here, so insert like this, right? So now you have the arm inserted, and to tighten this, right, come closer, there is a small screw right here. So to tighten this, let me just take a screwdriver. Now give me a minute. So to do this, you just need a flat screwdriver like this, and then you just tighten the screw, right, like that, and it is now fixed to the main wall unit, right? Just tighten it, and there you go. You could still spin this, but it won't come off from the main wall mount. Right, for the next step. Right, for the next step, this is the VESA mount included on the product, and here we have the screws, the covers, and also this Allen key right here. All these are included in the product, right? So make sure this is facing up, and just place this in here, right? Just put it in there, and then take this bolt right here. It's a hex bolt, and then place it on to the hole. Right, let me see. So goes right through. Use this Allen key or hex key, and then just tighten the whole thing. So there are actually 2 sizes. A hex key is with 2 sizes. You take the bigger one, and then just tighten this. Alright, so CondoMounts, make sure that everything can be done. All the tools are given. Alright, so tighten this, and I'll show you what to do next. So as you know, CondoMounts always make sure you have a pleasant DIY journey. So this wall laptop mount right here, okay, there are actually 2 ways to do it. Alright, you can actually put this directly here, and it could hold your laptop, or you could even directly mount your monitor onto this. This one I'll show you on the next video. Today I'm going to place the whole monitor right to the mount. Let me place this. For this monitor, you have a compatible VESA, right, a 50mm VESA, and you could just place it directly to the mount. Right, let me just show you right here. So as you can see here, I have this VESA right here. Right, what you could do is actually to first place the screw behind your monitor. Let me show you. So as I said, CondoMounts always makes your life easy. Right, just fix this screw right, don't fix it right through. just a bit, and now you could actually hang the laptop first, right, into the mount, right? So one more right here. It's a bit tight. Let me just unscrew this a bit. There you go. And one more right here. There you go. Right? So the top one is fixed. And then right now, I'm gonna fix the bottom one right here. Put it in. There you go. And one more right here. And then you tighten the top screws. There you go. Now you have a full flex monitor mount right at your working space on your drywall. I'm going to tell you all the secrets about this laptop wall mount on my next video.